So it says every year this time a special bird comes to our area. It is the Loof-lirpa bird, also known as the Loof-lirpa bird in other parts of our country. This bird is very unique and careful. You must follow these directions carefully in order to see it. Are you listening? Hey, are you listening? You have to follow these directions carefully, okay? It says go outside to your patio, driveway, deck, porch, balcony, veranda, or wherever, right? Okay, so we're here, right? And look up at the sky and call Loof-lirpa, Loof-lirpa. And you can also try holding out some fruits or veggies or your carrots. You've got your carrots, okay? All right, so call for the bird.
Loof-lirpa, 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 Loof-lirpa.
No, you have to look at the sky and say it.
Loof-lirpa, 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 Loof-lirpa.
You see it?
A bird. Is that?
Was that the Loof-lirpa bird? There's the movement over there. Oh, I don't know if that was the Loof-lirpa bird. Try again.
Loof-lirpa, 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 Loof-lirpa.
Okay, maybe it says, or you can say his name louder, or you can try even singing his name instead.
How do you sing his name?
Sing his name. Just sing it.
How are you supposed to sing it?
I don't know. Just say Loof-lirpa in a singing voice.
Everyone should be quiet.
Just do it in a singing voice.
They're looking at us.
Do it in a sing-song voice.
What do I do?
Like this. Like Loof-lirpa.
Okay.
Do it loud.
Loof-lirpa! I see one.
You see one?
That's not Loof.
Oh, that's not a Loof-lirpa bird.
That's not a Loof.
All right. So the next direction is to say, yeah. So if he doesn't come, you can try saying Loof-lirpa backwards. Say Loof-lirpa backwards. Do you know how to? Here, maybe this will help. Here, hold that. And read it right there. Start that way and read it that way. Try it. Read it. Sound it out. Sound it out backwards. April. April.
I don't know how to do it.
All right. Well, you gotta look at it and you gotta say it backwards. So April, right? If you say it backwards, what is that? Sound it out.
We should go walk over there and see if that's the Loof-lirpa.
Okay, walk over there. See if it's the Loof-lirpa.
I want to see the Loof-lirpa.
Did you find it? Call for it. Say its name.
Loof-lirpa.
Say its name.
Backwards?
No.
Loof-lirpa! Loof-lirpa! No birds come.
All right, come here. Let's try it. Let's try it backwards. April. And what is? Here, let's look at it. So April and ooh. Nope, not Loof. Fool. April Fool.
Read it backwards.
Yeah, April Fool.
Okay.
So say its name backwards.
April Fool.
Yeah, April Fool.
April Fool.
It's a Miles.
What?
Your teacher pranked you.
He did?
Yeah. There's no Loof-lirpa Bird. It's April Fool backwards. Your teacher just pranked you. Because it's April Fool's Day. So she played a trick on you. There's no such thing as an April or a Loof-lirpa Bird. What?
I'm not gonna see it today.
You're not gonna see what today?
The Loof-lirpa Bird.
There's no such thing as a Loof-lirpa Bird. It was a trick.
Yeah, I'm a frog.
Your teacher April fooled you. What?
I want to see it.
There's no such thing. It was a joke. Mrs. Benyon tricked you. What do you want to say to Mrs. Benyon? She's going to watch this.
April Fool's Day.
Yeah, it's an April Fool's Day joke.
April Fool's Day.
So what do you want to say to Mrs. Benyon?
April Fool's Day.
Oh, okay. You're not going to say, don't trick me?
Don't trick me.
All right.
I wonder what she's gonna say.
I don't know.